Welcome back to Eric Kimonye Talks. So I'll continue about the collocation. So there's a security element. So these organizations have really invested in security, from biometrics to the number of access points before you reach your data center. They have, in terms of tracking people, how they move within the within the collocated spaces. So they've really invested, and most organizations prefer the security is actually higher than what you can get in your local or in your own data center. In terms of connectivity as well, they have what we call meet me rooms where ISPs, that is internet service providers or link providers, come and meet, and so they're able to give you connectivity to wherever you want. So for example, today in your own data center, you have for example connected to a certain provider. That provider, high chances is that they are connected to also the collocation sites, and so with that it even makes the work easier for you, because your provider doesn't have to give you the cost of either digging trenches to your data center in your organization, or even laying cables on everything. So once you go to the collocation space, they just connect you to the meet me rooms, which could be even few meters, and you're connected and you're good to go. The other one is on the environmental on the environmental issues. So for example, your organization is maybe going green and you want to issue carbon credits. Most of the organizations are actually adapting to that, because these organizations are able to demonstrate that they're actually doing green energy. And then the last one is the compliance. You find organizations are not able to meet some of the standards or the regulatory compliance that are required. And so you'll find the collocated space are actually compliant because they follow the procedures, they follow the standards, they follow the frameworks that are that enable organizations to be compliant to some certain standards out there. For example, the ISO standards, for example, the PSSDS standards that banks use. So you'll find these organizations are able to give you that standard in the organization, and they actually can give you the certificate, and you can give your regulator or your compliance in terms of you're able to comply to those regulations or requirements. Basically, that's it. That's the reason. Those are just summary, not all, but I'm happy to get more. Thank you so much.